Hi guys, so what's on my Watson plastic bag. So first, ta-da! Ivana guys, Ivana's skin. So here, I put this in there. Let's put this there. And then, oh my god, there's a lot of things in my plastic bag. What? So there, and then ta-da! It's a nipple silicone pad. A lot of things. And then ta-da! It's Ivana water gel sunscreen. And then may rai pero ang nasa it's the tablets is inside the tablet. Basta ang nasa sud morning multivitamins, energy, nakalimot ko. Yung kang Cortis yun. Multivitamins. Basta multivitamins. And then, it's cotton. I use it. Suklay. My suklay. My toothbrush. And then, hindi mawawala ang Vaseline. Vaseline lip care. Vaseline lip care. Ta-da! Lipstick. Matte Fever. It's a Matte Fever. I like the lipstick. Matte Fever. And then, it's a Dr. Wong soap. Lightening soap. It's very effective guys. Gusto ko siya. It's very effective. And then headset. And then last but not least, bag off. Para walang tapok. So it's done. That's all for today guys. Bye bye.